Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladwell Kozak. If you're new here, please do feel welcome. And if you're one of my returning viewers, yeah, welcome as well. Thank you very much for joining me today on this video. I will dive right in to the new content in this video. I will be sharing with you my husband's garden shed, and I want to share with you tips and hacks that you can use to be able to maximize storage for a little shed. I will be showing you the size of the shed. It is a very small shed, but even as small as it is, my husband has gone up and above to use and maximize each and every available space and put as many things as he can. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive in. This garden shed, my husband bought it last year, which was already ready-made, and is if you want to know the size, is a 6x6, so it's not a big garden shed, but my husband has made sure that he has utilized every space in that shed to maximize every place that he can be able to use for storage of his garden equipment, plus all his building tools that he use around the house and in the garden. So yeah, if you're thinking of buying such kind of a shed, he ordered it online. He paid I think 480. It was a little bit higher on the price, and he had to wait around 8 weeks before it was delivered, which was okay anyway. So you can see inside it is a very compact space, but saying that he has used each and every available space, especially against the walls, to make use of each and every available storage area. These metal shelves, they were the ones that we actually were using in our house pantry, and because we did an overall renovation in the house pantry, so he took the metal shelving, and you can see he has made good use of it. So if it's you don't need to buy extra things. You can always reuse or repurpose some of the things that you have around the house for storage, like he has done. And I will show you there is a lot of things that he has used in the shed that were leftovers of the things that because last year we did our DIY project for the kitchen, so the leftovers, as you can see, these leftovers, they were leftovers from the kitchen, our old kitchen counters. So he made shelves out of them, and he also did a table, a worktop table that I'll be showing you later. And he also, against the walls, he screwed some of those worktops, and he's able to put in bolts and put in some nails, and that way he's able to maximize the storage by hanging tools using nails which are screwed on the old worktop in our old kitchen. So some of the best hacks and tips that you can use is just basic nails that you can screw onto the bare wall. Make sure to not use too sharp nails or screws, because you do not want to screw through on the other side of your shed. As you can see, on this side, my husband managed to put a little bit of a shelving, and also he added some things that you can hook and hang like this. He has hanged is the cutting edge for the grass, so in that way nothing as much as possible he's made sure that not so many things are left on the floor, because there is not much floor space on such a small shed. And all his work tools, you can see they are all nicely hung up on hooks and on nails as well. So yeah, if this is something that you are looking to maximize or use your garden shed in a way that you are utilizing the space properly, this is an idea that you can really go out for. This filter will be put on the door so that it allows good air circulation, especially during the winter months, so that it won't be too cold on the door. So that is also something that he's recycling from a filter that was used in my son's bedroom. As you can see there, all the hooks, all his tools that he needs, his wrenches, they are nicely hung. And this is one of the worktops that was the offcut of our old kitchen after the renovation was done. And there's always ways to do to make sure that you are not going out of pocket, to just ensure that you are maximizing or using your little garden shed well, without actually going out to buy things. You can see all the walls all around the corners, everything on top of the door. He has made sure that he has utilized that space for storage. So in that way, there is no spaces that are left bare and underutilized. Yeah, so if you're thinking like him to do something like this, to buy a small garden shed, this is good hacks and ideas that you can use to also do your own shed and do your own organization in a way that you are making sure that everything possible can be used, every possibilities of ensuring that every little space that you have is maximized and used to your advantage. You can see with this garden shed, it does have a window, which is nice. You can look through and see the garden. So when he's in his element doing his bits, he can also be able to be looking out into the garden. You can see all his spanners and screws. They are all hooked up onto the walls. So yeah, you are able to play with a lot of ideas. And he also did buy this hanging little shelving for all his little tools, the screws, the hooks, all those little things that you need them to be at hand when you need them. So you can see he managed to sort them out, because before they were scattered all over the place. He managed to sort them out and put them away, and in that way he doesn't get really upset looking for things, because he knows where he can be able to go out and grab them and continue with his work. So yeah, guys, if this is something that you have been scratching your head and thinking how you can be able to do your little shed, yeah, this is an idea that you can go out there and try it out and see that it is absolutely doable.
The afterglow of this daily war.
So you can see, as I said before, this work table that my husband made is done from the leftovers of the renovation that we had last year. So the shelving is using the top is the old worktop that we had in our kitchen, and in the middle is also the shelving that he used, which was from the new kitchen that we put in, and the drawer is also from our old kitchen. And you can see he has also added some compartments, so that way he's able to put and divide and put away some of the things that he uses for renovation around the house and also outside. So guys, I can tell you, I cannot emphasize enough, there is always tips and hacks on how you can maximize storage and your workspace. And my husband has proven you do not need to spend a lot. It's just having good ideas and making them work for you. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please remember to give us a thumbs up, a like, and remember, you can also subscribe so that you do not miss any videos that I put out there. So yeah, I would like you to be a part of this journey with me as I vlog the family journey, and as we do renovation DIYs and vlogs, sharing little things that we do around the house with my family. And yeah, be a part of our big online family. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I do hope to see you in the next one.